Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
So, you know how the smartphone market has been dominated by Qualcomm and MediaTek for years. Well, there's a little shift happening that we need to talk about, specifically in China. Qualcomm recently released its latest earnings report, and let me tell you, it's showing some serious signs of slowing down in the Chinese market. According to Qualcomm Pulse analysis, their sales have been steadily declining over the past quarter. And what does this mean for their non-smartphone business? Not much, actually. Both Qualcomm and MediaTek are expecting growth in that area. Now, let's take a closer look at MediaTek, which has been quietly gaining ground in China. Their chips are being used not just in smartphones, but also in laptops, tablets, and even IoT devices. And according to recent market research, MediaTek is expected to be the leading player in the Chinese non-smartphone chip market by 2024. But what's driving this growth for MediaTek? Well, one reason is their innovative approach to chip design. They're focusing on creating more power-efficient chips that can handle demanding tasks without overheating. Qualcomm, on the other hand, has been slower to adapt to these changing trends. Now, we know that both companies have a lot of faith in their future growth potential, and it's clear why. The non-smartphone market is expected to grow significantly over the next few years, driven by increasing demand for IoT devices and smart home appliances. And both Qualcomm and MediaTek are well-positioned to capitalize on this trend. So what does all this mean for the future of the smartphone industry? Well, it's clear that we're seeing a shift towards more diverse chip manufacturers who can compete with the big players like Qualcomm. And one company in particular, MediaTek, is definitely worth keeping an eye on. That's it for today's Qualcomm Pulse update. Thanks for tuning in.